What is up, YouTube? This is part 3 of the Python series that I'm doing. In this video, I'm going to be covering an introduction to functions. Now, functions are a key part of Python. They're like a container for more lines of code within them. Now, we are going to create a new file and type in def my function, open and close parentheses, and enter. And type in print hello world. Now what this does is it creates a function called my function and puts the line print hello world within it. So basically what this function does, it prints out hello world. So we are going to run it, and I'm going to save it as YouTube project. Now as you can see, it didn't do anything. That is because we have to call the function. Calling a function is like writing the name of the function and pressing enter. Now see, it printed out hello world. Now we are going to do a little experiment. Type in my number 1 is equal to int input, enter a number, and my number 2 is equal to int input, enter a number, and my number 1 plus my number 2 is equal to int my total. Now what this does is it creates a function called my function, and within the function it takes user input for 2 numbers and adds the numbers and prints the total. So as you can see, I've put like spaces inside the function. That is called indenting. Now if you put the line here and press tab, you can see it gets indented. Indentation is the process of like keeping a few spaces in front below the function to show that these lines of code are within this function. As you can see, there are open and close parentheses in front of the name of the function. That is because we are going to put arguments inside. I will teach you more about arguments in the further lessons of functions. And let's call the function. We're going to put 2 and 2. And the result was 4. So inside functions you can basically do what you can do in normal Python, but functions are necessary for like simplifying your code and like repetition of code. So I will teach you more about functions in the next lesson, further introductions to functions. For now, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.